Today I'm going to show you how to post 4 photos on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few simple steps. If you've ever wanted to share multiple images in one post, whether it's for a product showcase, a photo set, a meme thread, or just a personal update, this guide will walk you through the exact process. And before we get started, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to xhome@twitter.com home. You can also just go to x.com if that's what you normally use, but the key is to get to your X homepage where you can create a new post. Once you're on the home feed, look over to the left side of the screen and click the blue post button. If you don't want to use the sidebar, you can also click directly into the box that says, "What's happening?" at the top of your feed. Either option will open the post composer where you can start adding your content. Now that the post box is open, you'll want to add your images. At the bottom of the text box, look for the media icon. It usually looks like a small landscape image with mountains. Click that icon and your computer's file window will open. From here, find the 4 photos you want to upload. If all 4 images are in the same folder, you can hold down the Ctrl key on Windows or the CMD key on Mac to select all 4 files at once. After you've highlighted them, click Open. X will begin uploading the images into your post. If you prefer, there's also another easy way to do it. You can select the 4 photos on your desktop or in a folder, then drag and drop them directly into the post box. This is a great option if you already have the files ready and want a faster workflow. After the photos upload, take a second to check the preview grid. This is important because it lets you confirm that all 4 images loaded correctly and that they're arranged the way you want. Make sure none of the photos are missing or accidentally duplicated. If something looks off, you can remove it and re-add the images before posting. You can also type your caption above the photos if you want to add context, a joke, a product description, or a short message. Keep in mind that the text and images will appear together in one post, so this is a good chance to make your content clear and engaging. Once everything looks good, simply click the blue post button to publish your tweet or post to X. In just a few seconds, your 4 photo post will be live for your followers to see, like, repost, and reply to. And that's it. You now know how to post 4 photos on X or Twitter quickly and easily. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and now you can share image sets without any confusion. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.